puppies. We're not going for a drive in this truck. This isn't ours. Ours is over here. But you got the right idea. That will be going onto our trailers, yeah? Here we are in Gilgandra. Got this Mercedes here. And, yeah, a little bit of engine problems and that sort of stuff, I believe. So we're going to chuck it on the back of the Super Tilt and run it down to Melbourne. So it should be a relatively easy process. Just drive this straight up on the deck, chain her down, and we should be on our way. So she started up, so that's a good start. We'll get her on, and as I say, yeah, cruise along. All right, puppies, you can get back in our trucks because I don't want you in the way. Yeah, good work. Let's do it. As you can see, clearly the puppies wasn't done with investigating the best of what Gilgandra has to offer. So I got Dave here who gave me a little hand getting that truck on and finding the keys for us. So, and yeah, got a sticker on the back of his machine here now. Interesting thing, this one.
Yeah.
What does it run on?
It runs on coconut oil.
Bullshit. Really?
There's a pump in the back there.
Have a look at that, eh? Gee. Oh no, well we're not going to see through that.
You can see all these shit, all the oil running out.
Yeah, right, eh? That's pretty bloody cool, isn't it? Look at that.
25 years now.
Yeah.
Fully engineered.
Yeah, righty, eh?
It states on the rego papers it runs on coconut oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what does that cost a litre to run?
Yeah, 3 cents a litre.
3 cents a litre. Righty, so what, you just go around to all the servos around here and just go, give us all your leftover crap?
That's it.
That's a bloody go, isn't it? How much effort's involved in...
No, mate, not a great lot. Bit of a filter and...
Oh, beautiful.
The car does it all.
Yeah, lovely.
She chokes every now and then on a chip when a chip gets through the system, but...
Oh, gee.
She just keeps chugging.
So all that KFC that I eat is going to, well, it's saving the planet really now, isn't it? No, beautiful. There you go. Ha, happy days, eh? Who needs electric cars or hydrogen when you can just run it on your bloody deep fryer?
Exactly.
Yeah. Dreadfully sorry that we missed the last bit of that beast over there in the corner, but my phone decided to just run out of memory, so it just shut off. But we're just about done here now. Well, we are done. She's on, she's chained down. We're sitting at about 4.9 metres high, so yeah, we're on our Class 1 Gazette permit there, so we shouldn't have too much of an issue anyway to get the job done. So I'm covered in grease and oil and crap. So I reckon I'm going to put up the road and have a shower before I launch it down to Melbourne. Anyway, guys, have a ripper. We'll catch you later. And speaking of showers, I think the big girl is long overdue for a bath herself to get some of that Western Australian red dust that's been caked on it. Nothing like a nice cold shower. Woo, yeah. Woo. Catch it.